Hello guys, today I'm going to teach another watermark, but let's give my bro his watermark and we will see another one. I already put my bro's name in green screen, and yeah, you have to put him green screen. Screenshot it, then crop it, then go to CapCut Go and add your video, then overlay, then go to remove BG, then go to Chrome thingy and just move your finger little, but then go to splice, then overlay, then done. Guys, and PLS like, sub, share and comment so I can provide this kind of video to you.